Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Simplify with Reshma. So today we are going to see exercise 1.6. So let us start from fill in the blanks. So see the first question. -1 the whole power even integer is dash. So if you multiply 1, you know how many times if you multiply 1 you will get the answer 1 itself, and minus if you multiply and to the even integer you have only positive value. Okay, if you have 2 here, 4 here, 8, 6 even integer, if you multiply 2 times or 4 times or 6 times you will get only positive value. So 1 is the answer. So second question, you see, for a not equal to 0, a power 0 is dash. Okay, you know that the basic value here it is given in this question. See here in the form basic, a power 0 is equal to 1 where a not equal to 0. So the answer is 1 here. Okay, so let us move on to the next question. See third one, 4 power minus 3 into 5 to the power of minus 3 is equal to what? Okay, if you have like this, see here it is given in the form here. See, if a power m into b power m, if it is given the bases are different and the powers are same, you can multiply the base and put the same power. Okay, so here likewise you can multiply the numbers. 4 into 5 becomes 20 and the power becomes the same. Okay, minus 3. Okay, let us move on to the fourth sum. Minus 2 to the power whole power of minus 7. Okay, so minus 2, if you multiply 7 times you get answer 128. Okay, now what happens, you see here it is given exercise 1.6. So in fourth sum it is given minus 2 to the whole power minus 7. So it is in the power in the negative value, so you can bring it to the denominator to have a positive value. Okay, positive power. So what happens if you multiply, your minus also has the power, so if you multiply minus to the odd integer you will give it only minus value. Okay, you will not get positive value. If you have even integer only you will get a positive value. So what happens, minus becomes the answer. The 1 divided by 2 to the power of 7, if you multiply 7 times you get 128 answer. So answer is minus 1 by 128. Okay, so see the next question, minus 1 by 3 the whole to the power of minus 5 is given. Minus 1 by 3 the whole to the power of minus 5. Okay, can you see here minus 1 to the whole power, this is 1 by 3 the whole to the power of minus 5. The minus 5 belongs to the numerator also to the denominator, so it becomes minus 1 the whole to the power of minus 5 divided by 3 to the power of whole power minus 5. Okay, so it is in the denominator. If you bring it to the numerator, what happens, and 1 if you multiply how many times, if you multiply you will get answer 1 only, and if you minus, if you multiply to the odd times you get minus. Okay, multiplication 3 to the power of plus 5 becomes plus 5 because it is in the negative power is in the negative in the denominator, you bring it in the numerator to get positive power. And 3 if you multiply 5 times you get the answer 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81, 81 3s are 243. So you will get minus 243 as your answer. Okay, so let's move on to the true or false. See the first question. If 8x, 8 to the power of x is equal to 1 by 64, then the value of x is minus 2, they are asking. Okay, so you see here in question, first one, 8 power x is equals to 1 by 64 they have given. So you have to take the bases same to evaluate. Okay, now you see how you put the bases as the same. 1 by, in 8 how many times 64 comes, 2 times, so 8 8s are 64. Okay, 8 8s are 64, so you can write it as 8 square also. Okay, you have to equate x and this one. So how will you equate, you have to bring this to the numerator to equate. Okay, 8 square is in the denominator, if you bring it to the numerator it becomes 8 to the power of minus 2. Okay, now equate the x. See, the bases are same now. Now you can equate. So x is equals to minus 2. So they have given the answer minus 2. So it is true. Okay. So next move on to the next sum. The simplified form of 256 to the power of minus 1 by 4 into 4 square is the answer 1 by 4 they are asking. So we can simplify and see is the correct or not. So see 256 to the power of minus 1 by 4 into 4 square. Okay, you have to simplify this. See the base, have to find the bases should be same. So bring this to the 4. Okay, 4 base. So how will you bring to the 4 base? You can divide 256 to 4. 4 uh, 4 6 are 24, carry 1, 4 4 are 16. Again 4, you have 4 1s are 4, 4 6 are 24, again 4 4 4 is 16, okay, again 4 1. So how many times? 1 2 3 4 times 4 comes. So if you have to write, you can write to the power of 4, 4 to the power of 4, the whole power of 1 minus 1 by 4 into 4 square. So by the power law, you can multiply these powers. So you can multiply 4 into minus 4 minus 4 by 4 into 4 square. Okay, you can cancel it also. So what happens? 4 to the power of minus 1 into 4 square. So what does it become? 1 by 4 to the power of minus 1 can be written as 1 by 4. Okay, into 4 square. So if you cancel it, 1 4 gone and you have only 1 4 answer. So they are asked, question is given, is 1 by 4? No, it's not 1 by 4. The answer is only 4. So it is false. Okay. Now you see the using the power rule, 3 sub power 7 the whole to the power of minus 2 is equal to 3 to the power of 5. So if you have a power rule should be multiplied though. Okay. M, if you have a to the power of m the whole power n, you have to multiply those powers. Okay, 7 2s becomes 14, not 5. So it is false. The standard form of 2 into 10 to the power of minus 4 is given. So see here, if you, and it is a scientific notation. You have to see, uh, you have to bring this to the standard form. You see it is given minus 4. Minus 4 means you have to bring to the left side. Okay, if we have to count this number also 2, and you have to bring to the decimal point to the left side. So you have to count 1 2 3 4 and put the point. So it is correct. So it is true. Okay, now see the next question, the scientific form of this. Okay, if you have this form and you have to just bring those decimal point to the left side, you have to multiply to the 10 square, that is into 100. If you multiply this to 100, automatically the decimal point, if it is here, no, it can be moved to the 2 digits below. Okay, so what happens, it is given minus 2. Okay, 10 to the power of minus 2. So it is wrong. It is has to be 10 to the power of plus 2. So it is false. Okay, now let us move on to the problem sum. See the problem sum, evaluate third one. So first question, third and first question, 1 by 2 the whole cube. So see, if you evaluate, you have to multiply 3 times. So 1, if you multiply, you get 1. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are. So if you multiply 1 3 times, 1 by 2 cube, that means multiplying 1 2 3 times. So you have 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 is the answer. So 1 by 8 is the answer. So next move on to the next sum, 1 by 2 to the whole to the power of minus 5. That means 1 to the power of minus 5 divided by 2 to the power 1 divided by 2 to the power of minus 5 can be written as 2 to the power of plus 5. Okay, multiplying 2 5 times, you will get 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So 32 is the answer. Now move on to the third question, minus 5 by 6 the whole to the power of minus cube. Minus 3, that means minus 5 you have to minus 3 to the power of minus 3, and 6 also you have 6 to the power of minus 3. So you bring the powers to the positive. Okay, if you bring to the power, see minus, if you bring to the odd numbers, if you multiply 3 times, you get minus 1 the answer. So 1 to the power of minus 5 you have power 3 into this comes in the numerator. So 3 to the power of cube. So what happens? 6 you have to multiply 3 times, you have minus, and 5 you have to multiply 3 times. So 6 6 are 36. 36 into 6 minus 216 divided by 5 5s are 25. 25 5s are 125. So this is the answer. See the fourth sum, 2 to the power of minus 5 into 2 to the power of 7 divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. It's a question. Okay. See here bases are same, and see if you have like this, you can use the product law. 2 to the power of minus 5 plus 7, okay, divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. So it becomes 2 to the power of minus 5 plus 7, 2, divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. If you have division, that means 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of minus 2 comes in the 2 to the power of minus 2. So what happens? 2 to the power of, this is the quotient law. That is, if you have 2 to the power of 2 divided by 2 to the power of minus 2 is equal to 2 to the power of 2 of minus 2. It comes 2 to the power of plus 4. So what happens? 2 to the power of plus 4 is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16 is the answer. Okay, by using the laws. Okay, now next move on to the fifth question. 2 to the power of minus 1 into 3 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2. See here, you have the power same and this is different. So you have another law, that is a to the power of m into b to the power of m. You can multiply it. So 3 2s are 6. 6 to the power of minus 1 divided by 6 to the power of minus 2. So if you have 6 power minus 1 divided by 6 power minus 2, you can use the quotient law. 6 to the power of minus 1 of minus 2. That is 6 to the power of minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 6 to the power of plus 1. Plus 1 means 6 only answer. Okay. Next, see the fourth sum, evaluate. First one, 2 by 5 the whole power 4 into 5 by 2 the whole power minus 2. Okay, that means 2 power 4 divided by 5 power 4 into 5 power minus 2 divided by 2 to the power of minus 2. So you can just have the bases are same, it is in division, you can bring it up. 2 to the power of 4 or minus of minus plus 2 into 5 to the power of minus 2. This becomes in minus of minus 4. So minus, so if there is in the positive, it becomes minus. So what happens? 2 to the power of 6 into 5 to the power of minus 6. Okay, it comes in the numerator and it comes in the denominator. So see, if you multiply 2 to the power of 6, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64, and here also 5, if you multiply 6 times you get 15,625. Okay, now move on to the next sum. 4 by 5 the whole power minus 2 divided by 4 by 5 the whole power minus 3. So you have 4 power minus 2 divided by 5 power minus 2 divided by 4 power minus 3 divided by 5 to the power of minus 3. That means you can use, see this law, you can first just have a division first. So if you divide, it becomes reciprocal, no? So it comes in the numerator 5 to the power of minus 3 divided by 4 to the power of minus 3. So what happens if you have loss? So you can use it, minus 2 minus of minus 3 into 5 to the power of minus 3 minus of minus 2. So using the law, it becomes 4 to the power of minus 2 plus 3 into 5 to the power of minus 3 plus 2. So what happens? 4 power 1 into 5 to the power of minus. Okay, see the third question. 2 to the power of 7 into 1 by 2 the whole power minus 3. So how can you write this? See, 2 to the power of 7 you have. This is 1 power minus 3 is 1 only. Okay, divided by 2 to the power of minus 3. Okay, this is in division. So by quotient law, what you have to do? 2 to the power of 7 minus of minus 3. Okay, is equals to 2 to the power of 7 plus 3 is equal to 2 to the power of 10. Okay, if you multiply 2 10 times, it is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. So another 5 times also 32. So 32 into 32, if you multiply, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 4 to carry 1, 10. 1024 is the answer. Okay friends, do you understand? If you understand, please like, share and subscribe my channel Simplify with Reshma. Thank you.